Great.
Okay, so would anybody like to introduce themselves?
We can start from you.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Hi everyone, I'm Diana Bogosian. I'm trained as an architect, and I have been teaching at Florida International University. My research focuses on intersection of architecture, urban design, and media arts, and part of that is using information visualization for thinking about environmental issues such as air quality and water quality. I am extremely honored to present this workshop along with NJ, who's one of my inspirations. So NJ, go ahead.
Yeah. Hello. My name is Namju Lee. People call me NJ because it's easy to remember. Yeah, I am a founder of NJ Studio, which is specializing in architectural design, computation design, and visualization. And I'm currently working on software engineer at Esri, which is a GIS company. We developed like ArcGIS, which is one of the famous products for those who are engaging designer as a architectural design or landscape design or urban design. I'm very into developing design algorithm and computational approach and methodology in different domains like urban design or fabrication, architectural design, things like that. So I'm very happy to discuss immersive data visualization with Fiona. Fiona is my sort of long friends. when I get the LA, she's the first person who can discuss about computation design things. So I'm very happy to participate in this meeting with visualization in Unity with you guys. So yeah, I mean, please let me know if you guys have any questions related to our class and computation design and visualization. Thank you.
So NJ's work, I just added it in chat. So check out his website, an incredible body of work ranging from Grasshopper to Unity to also some of the other web-based visualization that he's been doing. So that's his website. Would anybody else like to go next? Don't be shy.
So we can go alphabetical order. Otherwise, you can just point. Yeah.
Okay. What about Yufan?
Okay. I'm Yufan. I was graduated from USC MARC in May, and I'm a big fan of you, Bayana, because I have been following your work for a long time. And for me, I also work on something like generative art and visualization, and also on some spatial computing stuffs of the architecture design. So nice to meet you, NJ. Yeah. I just checked out your works. I love it.
Yeah, it's quite incredible. Very nice to meet you. Are you based in LA right now?
Yeah, LA.
Yeah, I'm also based in LA, and Jay is in New York. So I'm curious to see how much we span today. I know we have somebody from Australia. Who wants to go next? Fauzan?
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Fauzan, and currently I'm in Tokyo, Japan. I'm in my second year of PhD, and both my master and PhD research are related around VR, and I think that's also nice to meet you all. I'm really excited to see what we can great in these 2 days. And anyway, I'm sorry if I might leave in the middle because I'm in not good condition. So is it okay? Maybe like
yeah, we're gonna be recording, so we understand
okay.
that also it's gonna be, you know, there's things that you would like to go back, so we're gonna be recording.
Okay. Thank you very much. So nice to meet you all.
Very nice to meet you. Jale, if you could introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, this is so nice to be here with you all. I'm Jale, I'm from Iran, and I studied architectural design and majored in digital architecture. So I have some background in programming, but I must go with Python, but I experienced C# too, and a little bit Unity, but I'm so excited about this topic and I want to see what is going on here. So my honor to meet you, Anna, and I remember that previously I just met you, I think 2 years ago. I was just looking for a position for master studies, and yeah, I knew you there, so I guess this is it.
Very nice to meet you. Hopefully, and just one thing about the DigitalFUTURES, it's a little community that was created about 10 years ago, and I've been part of for over 9 years. And every year, you know, we had this event that happened in Shanghai, and then last year that pandemic happened, we made it online. But it's been I've met the most incredible people through the workshops, through the events, and through the talks. So it's very nice to meet you like this, and you know, it's a small community, so we just continue, you know, building on it and getting to know each other. So lovely to have you here. I was also born in Iran, so that's why your name was familiar. All right, great to meet you. What about Shinye?
Hello.
Hi.
Can you guys hear me? Oh yeah. I was graduated from UAL last year. So I'm currently working for a virtual reality company based on Shenzhen. So our team have been did lots of projects relevant to virtual reality, augmented reality. And so, I mean, I was use Unity and for a lot of time. So yeah, and it's really glad to be here to meet you guys. Yeah.
Great. Can I ask what is the type of content that is being produced that you focus on? Because what is really fascinating is the fact that the technology and the questions that they've been asked in virtual and augmented reality space for the past 30, 40 years have been the same, but the technology is advancing. So I'm curious, are you focusing on games? Are you focusing on more interaction design? Is that confidential? So I'm just curious to see, like, what are different companies looking?
Oh, so actually our company and focus on like virtual gallery, museum, something like this. So last year during the pandemic, we have did a project which is name is Pingshan Gallery, virtual gallery. So we transform a lot of physical drawings, artworks into into virtual realities. So like audience do and have another opportunities to look at the those artworks. So actually, the virtual gallery in Shenzhen, in Pingshan, is the first virtual gallery, and we created it in China, actually. So I was so proud of what we have did. Yeah.
Great. If you have any links, if possible, share with us. It would be good to, if any of you have references and links to share, because it's a very new field and there are a lot of bad examples. So when there's good examples, it's good to share. Very nice to meet you.
I think it's a good example. Yeah, I found the PDF. I can share. Yes, I will share later. Yeah.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Who likes to go next? Yuji?
Yeah. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So hi, I'm Yuji Huang from China. Now I'm studying in AA school. I'm in London now. I'm in the school. And my major is architecture and urbanism. So, and honestly, I didn't use Unity for a long time. I just studied for several months. And last term, our tutors teach us how to use the Unity. And I'm quite interested in how Unity can combine with interaction thing and real-time thing. So I happily see your courses. So very interesting and nice to see you.
Nice to meet you. Who were your tutors, if you don't mind sharing? At the AA.
No, my tutor name's Octavian.
Okay. And was this so because architecture and urbanism in AA is very much focused on larger scale, and were these used
really.
to? Okay.
So we have 3 different studio. So some might based on smaller scale, some might on a bigger scale, and some is based on fabrication. But all of us are digital things. And because now it's pandemic, we have courses online. So we have to a lot of digital simulation and lots of digital stuff instead of physical one. Yeah.
Okay. Good to meet you. Next person, Sarah. I don't know if you can hear us. Or Paolo. I don't know, Paolo, if you can hear us.
Sure. Hi, everyone. Yeah, my name is Paolo. I'm originally from Italy, but I live in Melbourne now. And yeah, I'm an architect. I work in a studio called FJMT in Melbourne. And I've worked as an architect, as a computational designer on different type of projects, from like installations to large scale developments. Did a bit of research and teaching as well on the way. Yeah, I'm very interested about the combination of the two topics in this workshop. One is Unity. I did a bit of Unity in the past, not too much though. I think it's a great platform, sort of, you know, the go-to platform where you can do a bit of everything. And also, you know, being based on C# is kind of handy for me because I'm a bit more used to C#. And also I think the topic of exploring data visualization, especially, is something that really interests me. And I think that Unity would be really good for that as well. Also, I guess I'm interested a lot in design platforms instead of just design systems. So also how you can create a system that can be used by multiple people without having knowledge maybe of, you know, design softwares of any sorts. And I think for that kind of things, gaming platforms are really great. So
yeah, great to meet you. And you mentioned that you might be needing to leave, but it will be recorded, so no
okay,
worries.
thanks. Yeah, that would be great. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. So then we also have Evelyn. Evelyn, can you hear us?
She left a message.
Okay.
Check.
Okay. And okay. Yeah. Hope you're well. And Sarah, I don't know if you can hear us. And then we also have Elena, who is a PhD student from Florida International University. Hopefully she could join, but she's also there. All right, so hopefully you guys are there and perhaps we could get started. So everybody, I could see that you're already on Discord. So we're just gonna use Discord as our main repository and communication. So we also did the same last year for the workshop, and what was great was people kept in touch and exchanged resources after the workshop. So hopefully we could use it the same way. The other thing is that to get started, we want to make sure that everybody has the correct version of Unity. And obviously, one of the biggest issues is versions and version control in the platform. So for today, we assume that we're going to go with the latest release. So just want to make sure that everybody has the same version. I'm going to enable screen share. And as a reminder, if you go to the server here under software, so we're gonna go with the latest long-term support, LTS. And when you're downloading Unity through Unity Hubs, which is recommended because it would allow you to have multiple versions and do version control, that would be the LTS that you would be using. So if you're not sure, when you open Unity Hubs, so when you open Unity Hubs, if you go to installs, you would see your versions here. And if you need to download a newer version under installs, you can just click on add. And this is where you will be able to see the versions. And the one that we're working with is the LTS. I already have that downloaded here. And this is a great way for you to, either install or uninstall different versions in case you have projects that are using different versions. Great. Additionally, you're going to be needing Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. Today, NJ will be using mainly Visual Studio Code. So we recommend using Visual Studio Code if you want to see exactly what NJ is seeing, but in theory, either one should be fine. Gonna stop sharing NJ if you want to share.